Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in an Acer Chromebook 11 C730E. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the 4 rubber screw covers on the front bezel. Next, you will remove the 4 front bezel screws. Next, you will carefully pry and remove the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will pull the LCD down and disconnect the LCD cable. Now that the LCD is removed, the first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to reconnect the LCD cable. Next, you will set the LCD into place and replace the 4 LCD mounting screws. Now, you will snap the front bezel back into place. Next, you will replace the 4 front bezel screws. The final step will be to replace the 4 rubber screw covers on the front bezel. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Acer Chromebook. Nice job!